Greetings, I'm Elar.
And I'm BT. Welcome to our Did You Know Webisodes.
In this webisode, we will talk about the different insulating epoxy plugs and how to install the cap on our Euromold Interface C compact connectors. So let's get to it. When your maximum system voltage is 24 kV, you can use the BIPR insulating epoxy plug without locking point during installation of the connector.
When the maximum system voltage is higher than 24 kV, you have to use the BIPA insulating plug. This epoxy plug has a metallic voltage detection point with a locking point on top that must be connected to the cap.
Start the installation of the cap with cleaning the inside of the cap and the outside of the connector and insulating plug.
Place the nylon vent rod along the insulating plug to exhaust air during assembly of the cap.
Then push the cap firmly over the connector and onto the insulating plug until it cannot advance any further.
Only when you use the BIPA insulating plug, you have to press the center of the cap onto the locking point until it snaps into place.
Press the cap on all sides to make sure it is well positioned over the connector. The pulling tab of the cap needs to be positioned downwards. You can now remove the nylon vent rod. Repress the center of the cap onto the locking point to ensure it is still in place.
That's it for this episode.
Thanks for watching and take care.